Ready to neg.
I'm always ready to neg. I play Yu-Gi-Oh.
Flip the box around so we can see your names.
$72 worth of bulk. All right, first pack. Oh boy, a War Rock Ultra. I could have pulled any Ultra in the world. I pulled it from probably the worst archetype.
Congratulations.
That's good.
Some super. More War Rocks.
More of them rocks, baby.
I love when the box builds the deck for you.
Getting the rocks off today, huh? Hey, an amazement card. All right. What's that? Yeah, something.
Yeah. Oh.
I mean, you're gonna hear that. You're gonna hear that a lot opening these packs. Bulk, 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 bulk. Why did I want to participate in this sneak again? Okay, well, got a secret. There's that. I mean, it's probably bulk.
I think it's for the Black Rose deck.
Sure, whatever. It's a plant, so I guess it has to, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not the one you wanted, sorry.
Let's see. I'm already
The amazement field, so
I'm a fourth of the way through the box and I already regret buying it. So can't
pretty
wait.
standard Yu-Gi-Oh box.
Yeah, pretty standard. At least I pulled about $20 worth of cards.
Maybe.
Maybe.
What's the new Charmer?
It's not terrible. I mean, I'm okay with that. I didn't want to spend $70 on one, but
You did, so.
But I did, so it's okay. All right. I don't even know what that does. I don't care.
Not really.
It's not.
Sorry.
Yeah, we're not here for that. Starlight or bust. Bulk. But hey, look, Scrap Raptor. Yay.
First one.
First time. This is the pack right here. I can feel it. It's heavier than everyone else. This has got to be a secret or something.
Extra common.
Oh, it's an ultra. No, it's almost right.
It's the Amazement Stratos.
Yeah, it's not terrible.
Still don't know why she's machined.
So I could put in my ABCs, obviously.
Okay.
Ready Rose Witch, garbage. And look, for added measure, this one buy one, not one for one. It's a trap version of the card, except worse. So okay, keep it up, keep it up. All right, I'm enjoying these negs. It's good stuff. All right, an ultra that doesn't matter. All right, balling.
I have no idea what that is for.
Yeah, that's how you know it's bulk. If you have no idea, never seen the card before, it's probably bulk. Like that. All right, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. And bulk. All right.
Boojin.
I mean,
Ooh.
I'm actually surprised. I don't expect some Boojin card in here, but it's bulk, so I'll read it later. All right. Hey, look, another secret. This is pretty good. We got two secret.
Yeah, that's not bad.
I don't know how much it is, but
40.
Oh, okay. Hey, I didn't. Well, I mean, I definitely neg, but I didn't neg as hard as I thought.
Shout out to Clinton, who probably already sold this whole deck.
There you go. So I could probably say with confidence, I am not getting the Starlight. This box sucks. But Marcus, you pulled the one good secret. Yeah, I guess so.
It's not the chase one, though.
None of these cards are chased to me. Is a Starlight or go home. Alright, what else I get? More bulk. Love it. Alright, down to our last 2 packs. You think it's 2 supers, guys?
Probably. I think you should be missing one ultra when I saw last count.
F in chat for me. Super.
Another charmer.
Oh, there's an ultra. Okay. Alright, so.
Alright, example number 5074 why you don't buy Yu-Gi-Oh products instead of Digimon. Ready to switch yet?
Well, I already told you, if I stop playing this game, I'm not paying for any card games. So this will probably be the last box of Yu-Gi-Oh I will ever buy. So
how do we feel about our neg?
I actually expected to neg a lot harder, so I guess I don't feel too bad. I mean, these cards suck. They definitely suck. But I expected it to look more like this. So, hey, whatevs.